Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening the world properties, set surface to background, and enable use nodes so Blender uses a shader network. Next, add an environment texture node and connect it to the background color. This feeds HDRI light and reflections. Once added, click Open and navigate to your HDRI file. Make sure file autosave won't interrupt. Use an EXR or HDR for full dynamic range. This first step wires scene lighting to an image, so previews update as you change the map. Now refine how the HDRI affects your scene. Add a texture coordinate node and a mapping node before the environment texture, so you can rotate and scale the image. Rotation fixes horizon and highlights. Once done, control brightness with the background strength in the world node or use a math node for precise exposure adjustments. You can also insert a color ramp or hue/saturation node to shift color balance for mood. These adjustments change both lighting and reflections, which is why they matter. Finish by switching to rendered view so you see the HDRI impact on lighting and speculars. If you need the sky invisible in final compositing, enable film transparent, which preserves reflections but hides the background. For final renders, choose relevant color space, filmic for realism, raw or linear for technical control. If things go wrong, first verify node connections, HDRI file integrity, and background strength. A dark scene usually means exposure is low or the image is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.